Will AI take your job by 2030? The answer is both yes and no. Let's break down what's coming and what you can do about it. What's really happening? AI is getting smarter fast. It can now write code, design graphics, diagnose diseases, and even compose music. Some jobs are already being automated. Customer support, data entry, even basic legal tasks. But does that mean your job is next? Jobs most at risk. Experts say jobs with repetitive tasks are most at risk. Think telemarketers, cashiers, truck drivers, and basic administrative roles. These jobs are easier for AI and robots to take over because they follow clear rules. Jobs safe, for now. Jobs that involve creativity, emotional intelligence, or complex decision-making are harder to replace. Nurses, teachers, software engineers, artists, and therapists still need the human touch. But even these jobs will evolve with AI, not disappear. What should you do? The key is to adapt. Learn how to use AI, not compete with it. Upskill in areas like critical thinking, creativity, and working with AI tools. The future belongs to those who learn fast and stay flexible. So will AI replace your job by 2030? It might replace tasks, but not your potential. The future won't belong to machines. It will belong to the people who learn, adapt, and lead with them. Don't fear the change. Become the change. Your future is not at risk. It's waiting to be built. Subscribe to stay ahead, and let's shape the AI-powered future together.